So this is my most asked, most requested video on this channel, and I hope you all get this video to 1 million views, right? So this is my face routine, and my face routine starts from the bathroom, like from washing my face. I cannot show you a face routine without my face washing routine, because I wash my face in a very different way for some particular reasons I am going to be sharing with you in this video. So this is me showing you the soap I use. Okay, this is Nano Extra White, and I get it in bits like that for ease of usage. Okay, and then I also go to the bathroom with my mirror. These are my bathroom essentials: my phone, my soap, my mirror, and this is CUSSONS soap. I'll also show you how I use that. So basically I use two soaps on my face. One soap is a lightening soap, which is the Nano Extra White, and the second soap is my CUSSONS soap, which is a moisturizing soap. I will explain more as we go. Okay, so if you usually have pimples on your face, one common thing we all have in common is blocked pores. That is why people who have, you know, pimples and acne, when they go to some spa sections, they go through peeling and steaming sections. So face washing in your routine is very, 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 very important. So here I am going in with my Nano Extra White. Okay, yeah, just watch how I do my cleansing method, because the products I use, like the cream and everything, okay, those ones are secondary. This is the primary foundation, and it is very, 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 very important to get this right. Okay, so if you are prone to pimples, like you usually have pimples on your face, you need to take washing your face very, very seriously. For me personally, that is why I go into the bathroom with my mirror and music. Like right here I have a music playing, so I'm not in a hurry. I cool down, and you know, I'm able to wash my face thoroughly. And if you are someone that watches a lot of, you know, skincare influencers, you are going to notice that they use double cleansers for their face, and there is a reason to this. Okay, this is to properly cleanse your face and to balance things up. Now let me tell you, you might say, why am I using two soaps for my face? You see this Nano Extra White here, it breaks me out. It breaks me out, but it helps me with dark what do they call it? It helped me with dark spots on my face. Okay, but the CUSSONS soap does not break me out, but it gives me this, you know, very soft, supple kind of face. So now if I use only the Nano Extra White, I am going to have a face spotless but with pimple. And if I use only the, you know, CUSSONS, I might run into my face getting a bit darker. So I came up with this routine to balance these two things up. Okay, so when I use the Nano Extra White, and I discovered that the Nano Extra White breaks me out because it's sort of drying, okay, to the face. So if you're experiencing that with Nano Extra White with Ashanti soap, this Ashanti, I don't know how they call it, also breaks me out on my face. You can balance it up like this. This video is for those with very sensitive skin. Then after washing my face twice, I also use this little towel here. Okay, I also go ahead and apply my face. So this is the third time. I hope you are paying attention. This is the third time I'm washing my face. Then I use this to, you know, wash my face gently in circular motions like this. I am still using the Nano Extra White here. I wash my face the first time, I rinse it out. Second time, I rinse it out. And then the third time, okay, I use this towel, this little soft towel here to, you know, wash my face again. Now I use this towel because I cannot use scrub on my face. Any scrub I use, no matter how gentle I use, like that scrub it is going to break me out. My face is that sensitive. So if you're watching this video and you have very sensitive face like me, this video is going to be very, very beneficial to you. Okay, and this towel also helps me to, you know, to be able to wash my ear very well. I really wanted to specify this. I see a lot of people, you know, their face is fair, their ear is dark, you know, maybe because they are not able to wash their ears very well. What did I even say? Your face is fair, your ear is dark. I hope that was what I said. So this towel helps me to be able to wash my ear very well. So whatever I'm using on my face, it applies to my ear and to my neck. Then I rinse it out. This is the third wash. I do this every morning. I do not miss this every morning. This is my morning routine. In the night I can do wuru wuru but if in the night is when you have time to like have a bit like this, then very well. For me, in the night most times I'm lazy, okay? I don't have time to do all this, and in my country there's usually no light, okay? So this is mostly my morning routine. All right, so I use the same towel to clean my face. This is not really important, but this is when I take time to like clean my ear, with the towel, clean inside my ear. You see how my ear is sparkling, the back of my ear, everything is like the color is rhyming. Okay, so if you don't have this little towel in your routine, you should get it. It really helps, especially with the ear cleansing. This is where the CUSSONS soap now comes in. Then I'm going to go ahead with my CUSSONS soap, apply it all over my face, and then I'm going to leave it in. Okay, I'm going to leave it in and then go ahead and have my bath. That is when I'm going to rinse it out, when I'm rinsing my body, so it stays like a minute or 2-3 minutes on my face. Now this is just to like to neutralize the harshness from the Nano extra white to my face. So this is just like soothing and calming my face after applying the harsh Nano extra white to my face. And since I started using this routine like this, okay, the Nano extra white doesn't break me out anymore, and I use the Nano on my face just once a day. If you're going to bathe in the night, use only your moisturizing soap. Don't use Nano on your face twice. So right here I am out of the bathroom, and here I'm applying my lip balm. Okay, I have the video here. It's actually a DIY lip balm, pink lip balm, and trust me, it's very nice. You should watch the video and try it if you actually have the time for DIYs. Okay, so over to the next important part. This is Nixoderm. You see all those your question, what do you use on your face, what cream do you use on your face? Nixoderm is the secret to my semi-clear face. For me, I don't feel I'm there yet. It's still a journey, right? Yeah. So Nixoderm is what I use on my face morning and night. This will help you with pimples, this will help you with acne, this will help you with eczema. For me personally, I use this consistently, mostly when it is that time of the month. If you look at my face, you're going to be seeing some pimples. It is that time of the month and my hormones are so active. Like, I wonder when I get pregnant how it's going to be, right? So Nixoderm is what I use for pimples, and yeah, that's what I use it for. Basically, that's what it does for me. Pimples, to dry up pimples and then to keep them away. Okay, so this contains 6% benzoic acid, 1% titanium dioxide, salicylic acid 2.5%, and 4.6% sulfur. Okay, so this is very good for your face, for pimples, for acne, for eczema. So if you're having any facial issues, even on your body, okay, you can use Nixoderm. Nixoderm is the holy grail, like is an OG product. Like our mothers used Nixoderm, and we have a lot of products now that are making all these older ones, we forget it and forget that these things really work. And Nixoderm is available online. It is on Amazon. So wherever you are in the world, you can order from Amazon. Okay, so I just checked and it is available on Amazon. So for those who would ask where to get it, if you're in Nigeria, you can get it from any pharmaceutical store or any good cosmetic store. You see, I emphasize good. Any good trusted cosmetic store, or you just go to a pharmacy, you are going to find it. Okay, so basically how I use it is I take a very tiny piece of it, I apply it to my face very well, and then I go in with my lotion. Okay, I go in with my Johnson's baby lotion. Don't worry, it doesn't leave any white cast, and it gives you this shiny look on your face. You should give it a try. So that is all for my face routine. This here, and this really stinks on the face. Okay, it has, I don't know how to explain it. It has this like itchy feeling on the face. Okay, that is to show that it is very, very active. So for people that will ask how long do you leave before you apply your cream, I don't really like give it any minutes. Once I apply it very well and make sure that it's, you know, absorbs into my face in less than 3-5 seconds, as you saw. I didn't cut this video. Less than 3-5 seconds I go in with my face cream. So you mustn't be using Johnson's. Most time I use Johnson's. Most times I use this, okay, on my face. And then also, if you have watched my skincare routine video where I talked about using this, okay, so most times I also use this on my face for brightening my face. Okay, when I realize that my face color is getting dim, I used it because this is my lightening cream for now. Okay, so this is my skin routine for now, for everybody who have been asking me for my face routine. So let it not be like I'm hiding anything. I'm not hiding anything. This is all I use on my face. And when I upgrade, which I will surely upgrade, yeah, when I upgrade, I'm going to carry you all along. But this right here is very, 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 very effective. Okay, pimples, for eczema, for, you know, ringworm, rashes, and all those people having chests acne, hand acne, back acne, just apply it there consistently. Okay, morning and night. Even if you are going out, you can use this thing. Okay, I forgot to mention this Nixoderm has a round one. This one, don't get this one. This one gives you a white cast on your face when you apply it, unless you just want to be using it at night. Okay, this particular one here gives you white cast. You can't apply it and go out, but this one here blends into your face. It's even written on the body here. They said rubs in and leaves no trace, ideal for day and night use. So it is ideal for day and night use. So just apply it first, okay, on clean skin, and then go in with your face moisturizer. But what our advice is, do not use any harsh face moisturizer while using this, so you do not, you know, have any battle of, you know, chemicals and ingredients in it, because as I already mentioned, this contains benzoic acid, salicylic acid, sulfur, and all those things. So make sure you are using it with a mild moisturizer. And I guess the day I am going to be using this one, because I hardly actually use this on my face, just once, because my face hardly gets dark nowadays. So but if I'm going to be using this on my face, I will not use this. Okay, so bear that in mind. If you are going to be using your lightening lotion any day, don't use this. Use this with a mild moisturizer. Okay, so there won't be war of chemicals on your face. So that's all I use on my face, and basically that's all I have to show you. I am not gatekeeping anything. If you have more questions, leave them in the comment section for me and I would reply you. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you learned a thing or two. I'll wait for you in the comment section, and remember to always smile, because it is never out of fashion. Okay, see you on our next video here.